Jose Ibarra Gonzalez Jr.?
Dos na lang.
Hello, Dos. We need to talk.
When something that absolutely can't happen happens.
Miss, will you marry me? Hindi makapaniwala, I'm married!
Pero hindi dapat. Kaya kailangan maghiwalay na tayo.
Paano kung ayaw ko?
Ano na ang next for the two of them?
Sa totoo lang, nakakatakot magmahal. Pero nung nakilala kita, na-realize ko na mas nakakatakot pag pinili mo hindi magmahal.
Can't Help Falling in Love. Friday, 9 a.m. on Cinema G.
It's a super messy breakup. My super ex-girlfriend. Friday, 12 noon on GTV.
Patay ka po, Victor. Tandaan mo, sa pangalan lang tayo magkapatid. Tol, sandali lang.
One, Pamilya Banal, FKJ sa G-Flex. Friday, 8